AMPM Road Service, serving the Southeast with expert repairs on all makes of medium to heavy-duty tractors and trailers. With a large fleet of fully stocked mobile service trucks dispatched round the clock, we'll get to you fast from our 5 road service locations in Atlanta, Charlotte, Memphis, Nashville, and Birmingham.
For quality repairs and maintenance, our terminal is your terminal. Stop by our new full-service AMPM truck and trailer shop at 54 Southside Industrial Parkway in Atlanta. With easy access to I-85 and I-75, it's gated and safe with 4 acres of lighted parking lot. You'll find service and amenities second to none, too. Besides truck and trailer repair, hunter alignment, and road force balancing, there's also a comfortable driver's lounge, laundromat, and much more. Check out all we have to offer at ampmrs.com.
Time is money, and AMPM Fleet Service can save you both. We'll have you back on the road quickly with world-class service, laptop diagnostic capabilities, and even preventative maintenance while you wait. For brakes, mobile tire service, truck air conditioning, electronics, welding, and more, count on AMPM Fleet Service. Our trucks fix your trucks.
Since 1999, the AMPM repair team's been dedicated to fast emergency response for tractors and trailers all across the Southeast. We dispatch directly from our main Atlanta location, but we also provide mobile repair services throughout the metropolitan areas of Charlotte, Memphis, Nashville, and Birmingham. A prompt, professional, courteous staff, dealer-level diagnostics, and 96% roll rate of successful service calls. Why would you go anywhere else?
Been to our new AMPM truck shop in Atlanta yet? From a simple oil change or new tires to a wide range of truck and trailer repairs, you'll get fast service from ASE certified mechanics and a great place to take a break while your rig's getting road ready. See us in Atlanta at 54 Southside Industrial Parkway. We offer fleet truck and trailer parking too.
It's no secret, dependable tires are crucial, especially on those long runs. Without them, you won't get anywhere. That's why AMPM stocks the best from Goodyear and Bridgestone. We'll keep you rolling with our mobile fleet service at our new truck shop in Atlanta. For tires and so much more.